Not all content is created equal. Here we believe in standing out, thinking bigger, and creating something unforgettable. Welcome to the experience. If you are searching for ordinary, this is not the place. This is where passion turns into powerful visuals and unforgettable moments just begin. Large canvases task dedication, big visions need patience. Bold outlines create drama. Strong lines command action. Soft pastel threads look graceful. Gentle tones soothe the eyes. Artistic charts challenge skill. Complexity improves technique. Many projects finish quickly. Small wins build motivation. Metallic accents add sparkle. Shine elevates elegance. Neat backs show expertise. Clean work reflects mastery. Creative spacing enhances layout. Smart design feels professional. Inspirational phrases uplift spirit. Stitch word feel lasting. Animal fields look lively. Tiny details bring character. Repeated shapes build rhythm. Patterns create flow. Soft blending improves realism. Smooth transitions add beauty. Fabric count affects precision. Finer grids allow detail. Dark backgrounds make colors pop. Contrast highlights artwork. Careful finishing prevents fraying. Edges stay neat and secure. Clean corner shows attraction. Precision elevates quality. Simple motifs suit beginners. Easy patterns build confidence. Complex scenes test endurance. Persistence creates success. Balanced color platelets feel pleasing. Harmony improves aesthetics. If you like my video, don't forget to like the video, share my video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so you'll never miss any video from our channel. Inshallah, we will be right back. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.